Okay, we're here today. We're gonna take the carburetor off and check the float port on the carburetor for an Intech Briggs Stratton 25 horsepower Vtwin. So I was cutting grass, going really well, and I parked it in the garage here, and it came out the next day and it was flooding, smoking, and there's oil all over the oil crankcase is full of gas. And so we're gonna, I've already removed the coverings. I'll save you that part. So this is the intro, and we're gonna have to do this. I wouldn't recommend to do on a day when it's 95. I've got my caffeine, bottle of water. I wouldn't recommend doing when it's 95, but that's the only weather we've been having, and that's all it's going to be for 2 weeks. And I got to cut the grass before then. So that's the introduction, and then we'll get into the work here on part 2 video.